Okay, children, so let's get started with the third part of our tenses. Apart from models, present, past, we have had enough discussions even in my offline batch and in my here 70 section. So now it's time to pay some attention on the future tenses. Future tenses. Basically, every tense has four kinds: simple, progressive, perfect, perfect, progressive. यानी कि simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. So similarly, today we are going to pay attention on the future tenses. There are several different ways in English that you can talk about the future. This page is an introduction to the most important ones. Right. So basically now the blue part, predictions, statements of fact, intentions, arrangements, scheduled events, these highlighted blue areas are itself saying that where do we actually use a future tense. हमें future tense की जरूरत पड़ती कहाँ पे? Predictions means when you are going to predict something, it will rain tomorrow or maybe it will be raining by this time. If the weather is so bad, will be raining, will rain, right? So predictions. What is the doubt? No, future teller is a different person who predicts future. Prediction is a word that can be used in so many different contexts. परिप्रेक्ष्य क्या है? किस परिप्रेक्ष्य में बात हो रही है? That is what context means, right? So यहाँ पे अभी हम future tense के context में बात कर रहे हैं. Future tense हम क्यों use करते हैं? हम कब use कर सकते हैं? When these two concepts are clear, then you can very well use the tense in your writing and in your speech. ठीक है? Speech. वो मत. All right. So next is intention. What do you mean by intention? Anybody from online? What is the meaning of intention? Am I audible? Attempt. Intention. Look up this word in dictionary. Simple. I do not know what is the intention of my students behind taking so much of time in responding to my question. Right. This is one usage. Yes, Rudra. Very nice. How many of you are now understood of the term? Rudra has very well said irada in Urdu and or Hindi, and in English motive. है ना? Say in a story, a person is missed. A person is missed. How he has been kidnapped? He's missing. So someone has kidnapped him. Now, what is the motive? Why this action has been taken, and who is like behind kidnapping that person, whose benefit is lying, and who wants to torture whom, and who wants to ask money on this kidnapped behalf, right? So there has to have some motive, and based on the motive the actions actually are taking place in any story, or they take place in any action drama, or say play, or say a general story, right? So I hope intention is clear. Now, arrangements. What kind of arrangements are you going to keep, or are you going to have for the guests in your forthcoming? Say, it can be a religious function. It can be a party. So, what kind of arrangements are you going to make? Right? So, arrangements are like that. They also tell a kind of schedule. What kind of schedule you're going to keep? Like, is it clear? Okay. So if you are planning to throw some, say, very nice setting an example. Tomorrow you have a school trip. It's an educational tour. Tour. It's not tour. It's tour. So what arrangements are there in your part? What are you going to arrange for tomorrow's trip? Ma'am, I will be carrying one bottle, and I have already purchased so many chips and so many, Britannia cakes and what not, ma'am. Please don't ask me. I don't want to spill the secret right now. है ना? So arrangements. What arrangements has been done by the school? What arrangements has been done by the museum management? When any school or any group of students are coming to their place. Now, scheduled events. If you have a scheduled train, if you have a scheduled flight on so and such date, so I will board my flight on coming Sunday to Delhi, right, from the airport of Allahabad, right? Am I clear? So I hope I have given a basic idea about all these four types. In detail, they have also explained the auxiliary verb will is used in making predictions or simple statements of fact about the future. The sun will rise. Look at the structure. Will rise, will be, will have. ठीक है, they will have their own computers, will help, will come, will not pass, will not let me, will not, won't is the abbreviated form of, sorry, expanded form of, no, I was correct, abbreviated form of will not, है ना? won't को हमने क्या कर दिया, abbreviate कर दिया है. इसका full form क्या है, will not. will it snow, will snow, verb के साथ first form, है ना? answer interrogative. Sanjeet, dear, pay attention. I know she's sick, but will she, विल को पहले रख दिया, शी को बाद में. विल शी बी बैक इन स्कूल टुमारो. सो ये सारे जो स्ट्रक्चर हैं, द ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब विल इज यूज्ड इन मेकिंग प्रेडिक्शंस और सिंपल स्टेटमेंट्स ऑफ फैक्ट. यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ फैक्ट, समथिंग which can be proven, which we know already, which we have enough evidence about, है ना? A fact about the future. And definitely the time period which is indicated in and which is covered in this tenses of future, right? We are not talking about the present moment, we are not talking about something which has already happened 2 years ago, but we are talking about what will happen 2 years ago, 2 years after, I'm sorry, or maybe after 10 years, or maybe after a period of 6 months. So that all is covered in future tense. Now comes the intention. The auxiliary verb going to is used in talking about intentions. An intention is a plan for the future that you have already thought about. आपने कोई चीज़ डिसाइड कर रखी है, आपने किसी चीज़ के बारे में इरादा बना रखा है, मैं वहां जाऊंगा तो मैं ऐसे ऐसे, आई विल बी आस्किंग दिस दीज मेनी क्वेश्चंस टू द क्यूरेटर. क्यूरेटर किसे कहते हैं? द पर्सन हु लुक्स आफ्टर द monuments, the antique pieces in the museum, maybe in the art galleries, right? So you have already very clear in your mind that what you're going to. So this, your intention is quite clear. So going to, we are going to buy a new car next month. I'm going to work in a bank when I leave school. Going to, in the new year, I'm going to stop eating so much junk. He's not going to go to the dance. He's got too much work. I'm not going to watch TV until my science project is finished. Are you going to play basketball after school? What are you going to have for lunch today? Going to, है ना? Clear है? Intentions पूछे जा रहे हैं लोगों के, या लोग अपने intentions बता रहे हैं. Any doubt to online people? All right. Now, say there is a disclaimer. There is a kind of important note, which is going to is often used in the past tense to talk about an unfulfilled intention. Say you have had some intentions which could not prosper fruits, or which could not be fulfilled, or which could not be accomplished, which could not be completed. So ऐसी डिजायर्स के लिए, ऐसी चीजों के लिए भी हम गोइंग टू का यूज करते हैं. कब कब वो चीजें, कंडीशन क्या है, पास्ट में. एग्जाम्पल्स: आई वॉज गोइंग टू स्टडी फॉर माई ग्रामर टेस्ट बट आई हैड नो टाइम. ही वॉज गोइंग टू कॉल यू बट ही couldn't फाइंड हिज मोबाइल फोन. वो आपको कॉल करने जा रहा था, लेकिन उसको उसका फोन ही नहीं मिला, राइट? नेक्स्ट: माई ग्रैंड फादर वॉज गोइंग टू विजिट अस बट शी फेल एंड ब्रोक हर आर्म. So something which could not, be completed because of some xyz reasons. Now focus on the arrangements. The present continuous tense is used in talking about arrangements. An arrangement is a plan for the future that you have already thought, quite similar to intention. about thought about and discussed with someone else also. See, intention is something which is very much confined to you. You have in your heart, you know, in your mind, you have already decided, you have made your goal. That is intention. But arrangement is something that you have already thought and you have already shared with someone, right? That become arrangement. I am meeting my mother at the airport tomorrow. Our grandparents are visiting us this Christmas. Definitely, they have told you also. They have yet not come at Christmas. Christmas is 2 days away, but still, you know that your grandparents will come. They have made this plan and they have shared it with you. It's an arrangement. Clear and Sanjeet? Any doubt to anyone? बेटा किसी को कोई doubt है तो आप पूछ सकते हो. Am I too fast when I speak and explain? I don't think so. All right. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I can't stay after school today. I'm playing tennis with Junsik. Okay, might be a Korean name. Sorry, I can't stay after school today. Means he was in this, he has been staying after school, but today he cannot. Because today he has some other plans of playing tennis with Junsik. My sister's going to dentist tomorrow. मेरी बहन डेंटिस्ट से मिलने जा रही है. उन्होंने अपॉइंटमेंट लिया होगा, प्लान बनाया, उसको शेयर किया, पूछा, कॉल किया, अपॉइंटमेंट बुक, अरेंजमेंट. राइट. I'm not returning home for the holidays, so I can come to your party after all. Are you doing anything on Sunday morning? They are discussing. The speaker, are you doing anything on Sunday morning? If not, then we can make a plan of going to watch some movie, of maybe hiking at a place, at a mountain. If we have, Allahabad is not a hilly area, so it's a plain area. So we can make a plan to go and have a, like sightseeing at Sangam. So, right. So, are you going to, or are you doing anything? If you're not doing anything, then let's make a plan. Do you know if he's going to the dance with Michael next week? These are the Christian names. Right. So I hope the meaning is reaching out to you, that what do we mean by arrangements? It is a plan for the future that you have already thought about and discussed with someone else. हर स्टेटमेंट में कोई किसी से कुछ कह रहा है. ये एक एक्सक्लेमेशन है, ये एक स्टेटमेंट है ना. स्पीकर इज टॉकिंग टू समवन. मेरी बहन कल डेंटिस्ट से मिलने जाएगी, वो किसी को बता रहा है. वो किस यहाँ पे कोई किसी से पूछ रहा है, यहाँ पे भी कोई किसी से पूछ रहा है, किसी और के बारे में. आप समझ पा रहे हो मेरी बात? Now, yes, Ankit, you have a doubt, Ankit? Correct. अरेंजमेंट है ये, आपने पहले से बना रखा है, आपकी टिकट्स बुक होंगी, है ना. अब आप कोई अपना गोल बताइए. मैम, दिस संडे आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले in the company garden. There is a club, football club. We have a match. So, ma'am, I'm going to play this Sunday, so I will not be able to come. So this is what it is. It's an intention, है ना. हाँ, ये चीज आपके पास है. You already have made this plan. But if someone else is asking you to do some other job, then you will disclose it probably. तो ये देखो बहुत ही नियर है. तब ये अरेंजमेंट एक तरीके से आपने उस व्यक्ति को बताया, डिस्कस कर लिया कि नहीं मैं नहीं आ सकता, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी हैविंग अ प्री डिसाइडेड अपॉइंटमेंट और मे बी वर्क. राइट. सो इट विल बी अरेंजमेंट देन. डाउट क्या है इसमें? क्लियर है ना? All right. So now let us focus on the scheduled events. The present simple tense is usually used. हम इसे कहाँ यूज करते हैं? अक्सर, यूजुअली मीन्स अक्सर, वेरी ऑफ्टन, usually used to refer to the future events that are scheduled and outside of our control. Means even if you wish to change, it cannot change. It cannot. Out of our control means this only. Hurry up! The train departs in 10 minutes. Hey, train, stop! I'm not going. Will the train and railway ministry stop? I'll. Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. Someone is saying, "Ma'am, I have to pull the chain, then the train will automatically stop." You pull it 5 times in a row, and then you will be behind something. Okay, so now I leave Frankfurt. It is a place. I leave Frankfurt at 5 o'clock in the morning, and arrive in New York at midnight the next day. ये देखिए, ये I leave, ये वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म है। आई वर्ब की दोनों फॉर्म्स को यूज कर सकता है, सिंगुलर भी प्लूरल भी, एक एक्सेप्शन है, आपको पता होना चाहिए। यस, तो वो बता रहा है, और ये हुआ नहीं है, ये भी होगा। आई लीव फ्रैंकफर्ट एट 5 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग। मैं छोड़ूंगा फ्रैंकफर्ट को कितने बजे? सुबह 5 बजे। और मैं पहुंचूंगा, सो एंड अराइव इन न्यूयॉर्क, और मैं न्यूयॉर्क में पहुंचूंगा मिडनाइट द नेक्स्ट डे। क्लियर है? तो ये आपका शेड्यूल्ड इवेंट्स हैं। अब आप खुद तो फ्रैंकफर्ट उड़ के तो पहुंच नहीं जाएंगे, और फिर आप न्यूयॉर्क, यहाँ वहां से आपने अपने you don't have some ferry or some tonga, even if it is, and these days we have electronic arrangements, so these are scheduled things you cannot change. You can change your own trip, either you want to take or not. You cannot affect the entire system, right? That's the reason it is written outside of our control. So she has an appointment with the headmaster after school today. There's no need to hurry. The train doesn't leave for another 30 minutes. So purchase, have some tea, go to washroom. When does the meeting begin? Meeting cannot change its time. You have to report sharp in time. है ना सानिध्य? Sanjeet, Siddharth, all with S. Sushti and Shruti. 5 S people have come here. All right. So I think this is the basic thing, right? And we have covered most of the things of the future. Now, based on this knowledge, apply it in your future tense chapter. Solve the exercises and contact me with your screenshot, image, audio notes before 6 p.m. on my WhatsApp. Right? That's all for today. Thank you so much.